hi everybody, it's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with my Pression B6 and my $2 Tuesday sheets from Sweet Kawaii Design to do a plan with me for my week in my to-do planner. So if you've watched my channel before or follow me on Instagram, then you know I have this planner here, which is just my to-do items for home. I use it every week. It sits out where I can see it. It sits open. Like here is the current week. You can see I have quite a few things still not checked off, which is not good for a Sunday afternoon. But after I do this video, there's a few things that I know that I'm going to get done, and hopefully I can then check them off. This coming up week, I was trying to figure out, well, what kit do I want to use? So I almost always use $2 Tuesday sheets from Sweet Kawaii Design in this kit. And I thought, you know what? I'm going to use the road trip kit. I'm not going on a road trip. Nope, not even a little bit. This week is actually super busy. Even if I wanted to go on a road trip this week, which kind of sounds fun, but even if I wanted to, it is crazy busy this week. So there's no chance of that. But I don't know, just using this kit sounds fun and it's really cute. So I don't have a road trip in my future for a while, so why not just use it now? So what I pulled are the fun full boxes. So this is also a kit you can buy at Sweet Kawaii Design, but for $2 Tuesday, you can get the single sheets, which I often stock up on. The date covers, quarter boxes, and then the mixed sheet. I didn't pull one of the washi sheets because I will not need it for this spread. The washi that I did pull, this is from Itty Bitty Sticker Co. Has nothing to do with road trips, it's plants. But I don't know, somehow in my head, it totally matches. I don't know why. I don't know. I just thought it looked cute with it. And this scene where, you know, like you set up a camper and I don't know, maybe you put plants outside. I guess if you were camping for a while, I can't say I'm a big camper. Never have been. Much to my husband's dismay. He loves to camp, although he doesn't often go, but he did when he was younger. And I did not when I was younger. I think I went camping just a handful of times, probably when I was a Girl Scout with my troop. I do remember that. So I think the idea sounds fun. I'm not really sure about the whole sleeping outside in a tent thing personally. All right, so I'll put this washi on. It just adds some fun color down here, like so. Okay, isn't that cute? Such adorable little washi. All right, then I like to put one of these headers up here to bring the color of the kit all the way up. So if I look at the colors though, because I have to think about which full boxes I'm going to use, I will end up using 6 of them for the way that I do these spreads. So you can see on the weekend, I only use 1 full box. I don't have one on each day. So I'll need to figure out which ones do I want to use. So for example, do I want to use this double box? I think I do, but I don't think I want it here on Monday. I don't know. Have I used other double boxes? Oh, I have. So that's cute over on the weekend. So maybe I'll do that over on a weekend. So if I color block, I would probably make this, I don't know, maybe the green and the pink, because I feel like I have a lot of this color. So if you look at the colors of the kit, we have the green, kind of the lighter orange, the darker orange, and the pink. And so because there's only 4, that means some will repeat. So let's see if I did green, light, dark, pink, green, light, that would work. And then dark. Yeah. Okay, so I can actually go with the colors, and I won't do green and pink. I'll do green and the light orange now that we have that settled. All right, I'm going to get these put on along with the date covers, and that is kind of boring to watch, so I'll speed you up and meet you back here. Okay, date covers are on. And you know what's really funny is when I went to grab the first, I was like, oh, It's gonna be April Fool's Day. Oh my gosh, no it is not, because this is the 1st of May. Isn't that crazy? Oh my gosh. It's nuts to me that we are in the last week of April. I'm not quite sure where the time is going or how it's going by so quickly. It blows my mind. I mean, not that I mind that we're getting close to summer, because oh my goodness, I am ready for summer vacation. That will be nice. Just being off work will be really, really nice to have a break from that and to be with the kids. But gosh, the time is going by quick. Okay, so as I do this, I get here and I'm thinking I want to put that double box. How did I do it? Isn't it funny? Do you guys go back and look at your old spreads and you're like, how did I do that? Okay, so I did put those quarter boxes up there. You know when you sometimes have a really good idea and you're like, oh yeah, I want to do that again. That's happening to me right now. Although I don't know if it was really that great of an idea. It was just definitely an idea, and why reinvent the wheel? All right, trying to get this done on this Sunday afternoon. It's my last planner to get done for the week, which is great. Puts me way ahead of where I was last week. While my kids work on some chores, cleaning the rabbit cage. Little Simon, he needs more attention. My daughter's been in rehearsals all week for her musical and not had as much time at home as normal. Anyway, so they're doing chores. I'm in here while they're doing that. My daughter has homework. My son was practicing piano, and then I shall help them with making sure, help them, more like go supervise to make sure things are actually getting done. My husband has to work today, so he won't be home until later. All right. But yes, so my daughter is in a musical, which means yesterday was her first dress rehearsal. And I got to do theater makeup or stage makeup, basic theater makeup, nothing fancy, nothing crazy, thank goodness. And you know, they gave us a tutorial, like a YouTube tutorial to watch, which was incredibly helpful, because I feel like while I'm not super great at hair and makeup, I am relatively good at following directions. So, I was able to do that. We did a test run in the morning and then took it all off and then did it again, which kind of made for a crazy morning, because I also had to do her hair. And the hair part of it was the hard part for me. I don't know. I guess, I just realized I don't have another green one. Maybe I'll just do this gray one. It doesn't completely color block, so I kind of want to put it down there because it's the wrong color. Let's do that. Anyway, her hair is not, it's not hard. It's not, you know, a crazy hairdo. It's just high pigtails. But then I was like, well, how high? And to the sides or kind of more to the back? Like, are high pigtails kind of to the back? I had no idea. Anyway, so I did it. And then I did it again. And then I was like, let's do your makeup. And then we'll come back to the hair if we have time. Because at that point, I hadn't showered. I just took her to rehearsal and dropped her off and then came home and showered. Because we've been at it for, I don't know, almost 3 hours, I think. So anyway, I finally figured out that if I sprayed hairspray on the brush as I was brushing her hair back into the pigtails, that helped with all the little pieces everywhere. Anyway, again, a hairdresser I am not. I have utmost respect for people who know how to do all that stuff, because that is not me. Anyway, we'll see. We'll see if we get any notes. But my daughter was telling me there's a couple characters who she said, oh my gosh, Mom, you would have died. The hair was so complicated. It was like this big poof. And I'm glad she just had the pigtails, because I could sort of kind of do that. After 3 times, I think it was okay. All right. That looks pretty good. I'm really kind of in love with this. I think this looks really, really cute. I am wondering if I want to move this up, because see, this is this weird little space. Oh, I did put something there. Let's see. Let's put on the checklists first and then see what it looks like after that. Okay. Ooh, then I'll have to get the little deco sheets that I have for this kit. So cute. Do you guys like road trips? I actually really like road trips. I think they're really fun. Personally, I always have. My parents and I would go on road trips when I was younger. That wasn't so fun because all of my siblings are much, much older than I am. I didn't really grow up with them. They're all half siblings, and so we didn't necessarily grow up together. So when my parents and I would go on a road trip, it was just my parents and me. So they were fun, and I was really privileged to get to go on the road trips for sure, because I got to see like a lot of really neat places. One time we drove up to Canada and stuff like that. And maybe that's why I think road trips are really fun, even though I thought they were kind of boring because it was just my parents and me. I don't know, but I think they're great fun. Getting all the snacks and figuring out where to go. If I have time to plan it, I guess. I think they're really fun. Otherwise, I'm super stressed out. Okay, those are all in, and I like how that looks. I'm wondering if I should just move this down, and then I could just white out that line to kind of make it, paper tore. Just to make this look, I don't know, a little bit better. What about that? What if I just kind of did that and did that? And then I'll put a sticker right there so that you can't really see that there's not a line there. I don't know, maybe it's not perfect, but I'm really loving this kit. I'm really loving this, even though there's no road trip in sight. How cute is this? And really, how many of us have been, Frank right there, drooling for sure. Okie dokie. I grabbed my album here, which has all of my critters or non-word kind of little deco stickers. I don't really know how to put that on the label, right? Critters and not words. Because I do have an album that has like all the sassy and all the words. It's how I differentiate it, I guess. So I've got this fun deco sheet, and I can use that in here for these other places for my to-do items. I could probably also pull some critters. So I'll sort of just do these every other. Oh, but they're so cute, and they're all so different. Oh my gosh, you guys, how adorable are these? So there's this little suitcase, a map, the little cat earphones, the water bottle. What is that? Like a chip container or something? I'm not really sure what it is, but it's cute. A camera, glasses, another type of bag. So I've got so many cute ones. And look, there's a lantern. Oh, okay, I'm not going to grab critters because these are just too cute. I have to use all of them. Sorry, not sorry about that. Okay, and then let's see, what would be a good one there? I could do the camera. That looks cute. And see, that kind of disguises the lines there, just right there. But maybe I'll put a dot. I'll put my checkoff dot over there, and then that'll work really well. Okay, sunglasses, they're pink, so I'm going to put them on the pink, and they're kind of wide. That way I can put them here into the margin. Another little bag and a book. Definitely a book. I cannot, FYI, read in the car at all. It makes me feel really, really ill to read in the car. I wish I could. My kids can. Oh, that is a chip container, I think. My kids can read in the car. I most certainly cannot. Oh, I need one more. The lantern will have to do. Just afraid it's a little bit too, it is too tall. What can I switch it out with? Maybe I'll have to put the camera. Even though I loved the camera there, I think the lantern might be better suited there. The camera will fill that space nicely. Okay. I think that looks pretty cute, I have to say. I'm pretty happy with this spread. I'm pretty happy with this kit, even though I'm totally not going anywhere. All right, my to-do planner is set for the week. I feel like I am so much more on top of things this week than I was last week, which makes me feel really good. Like I'm starting off the week in a good spot. Although you never know what could happen, right? You can go into a meal like, yes, I'm so on top of things. And then, oh goodness, things took a different turn. So I don't want to tempt fate by saying, yes, I'm all prepared, because who knows? All right, everybody, have a wonderful rest of your day and happy planning. I'll see you next time.